In this video we will discuss division of fractions. Okay, so first let us take an example. Suppose you have a thread of 12 centimeter. Okay, now we have to cut into smaller pieces of length 3 by 2 centimeter each. Okay, so what will we do? We have to divide. Yes, we have to divide this 12 centimeter divided by 3 by 2 centimeter. So we will get number of pieces. Okay, so how to divide it, the whole number by the fraction? So for this we have to find its reciprocal. So 3 reciprocal of 3 by 2 will be 2 by 3. Okay, then this sign converted into multiplication. So 12 centimeter is multiplied by the reciprocal of 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3 centimeter. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Okay, it means 8 pieces will be there. Okay, this centimeter or this centimeter is already cut, so 8 pieces will be there. In 12 centimeter, how many pieces will cut? 8 pieces will cut. Okay, now there are 3 cases for division of fractions. Case 1, division of whole number by a fraction. So this is the whole number and this is the fraction. So step 1, we have to convert this right hand side. Value of right hand side will be this multiplication and write the reciprocal of 1 by 3. So it will be 3. So answer will be 6. Okay, now what is the case 2? Case 2 will be division of fraction by a whole number. This is the fraction and this is the whole number. So value of right hand side we have to convert into find the reciprocal of 3. So it will be 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3. So it will be 1 upon 9. Okay, last case will be division of a fraction by another fraction. Okay, so suppose 3 by 4, this is the fraction value, divided by 1 upon 4. So find the reciprocal of 1 by 4. So it will be 4. Then we have to apply that multiplication sign. So 4 and 4 will be cancelled. So remaining is 3. Okay, it means suppose it is the total length of the strip and we want to cut a smaller strip whose length is 1 upon 4. So how many pieces will be there? 3 pieces will be there. Okay, now move on exercise 2.4. So first question is divided by 3 upon 4. This is the same question we have already. No, this is the another question. Okay, so first step we have to convert into multiplication, then write the reciprocal of 3 upon 4, that is 4 upon 3. Now it will be cut. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So answer will be 16. Okay, move on the second question. So it will be 14 divided by 5 upon 6. So 14 into 6 upon 5. One will be cut. So 84 upon 5, that is 16, 4 upon 5. Okay, third one, 8 divided by 7 upon 3. So 8 is multiplied by 3 upon 7. Okay, so 8 3s are 24 upon 7, that is 3 by 7. Fourth one, 4 divided by 8 upon 3. So we can write it 4 into 3 upon 8. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, that is 3 upon 2. So it will be converted into mixed fraction, that is 1 by 2. Fifth one, 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. So it can be written as 3. First we have to convert into improper, so it will be 7 upon 3. Then find the reciprocal of 7 by 3, that is 3 upon 7. So 3 3s are 9 upon 7, that is 1 2 upon 7. Now last question, last part of the first question. It will be 5 divided by 3 4 upon 7. So it can be written as 5 divided by 25 upon 7. Then 5 is multiplied 7 upon 25. So 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, that is 7 upon 5. So 1 2 upon 5. Clear? Move on, question number 2. It is find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fraction, improper and whole numbers. Okay, so first part, reciprocal of, I am writing only one, how to write it, reciprocal of 3 upon 7 is equals to 7 upon 3. It is improper fraction. Okay, then second, reciprocal of 5 by 8, 8 upon 5, it is improper fraction. Proper fraction. Okay, so I am representing improper for I, then proper P and the whole W. Okay, third part, reciprocal of 9 upon 7, 7 upon 9, proper fraction. Fourth one, reciprocal of 6 upon 5, 5 upon 6, proper. Okay, then fifth one, 12 upon 7, reciprocal of 12 upon 7 is equals to 7 upon 12, it is proper. Sixth, 1 upon reciprocal of 1 upon 8 will be 8, it is whole number. Then last one, reciprocal of 1 upon 11 will be 11, it is also a whole number. Okay, now move on, question number 3. So first part, 7 upon 3 divided by 2. So same procedure, 7 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2, then it will be 7 upon 6. So it will be change 1 by 6. Okay, then second part, 4 upon 9. This is the example of fraction divided by whole number. Okay, and the first question based on whole number divided by fraction. So here 4 upon 9 divided by 5, that is 4 upon 9 into 1 upon 5. Okay, so it will be 4 upon 45. Third part, 6 upon 13 divided by 7. So 6 upon 13 into 1 upon 7. So it will be 6 upon 91. Now move on the next question. Question number 4. 4 1 by 3 divided by 3. First convert into improper. So it will be 13 upon 3 divided by 3. That is 13 upon 3 is multiplied 1 upon 3. So it becomes 13 upon 9 is equals to 1 4 upon 9. Now fifth one, 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. So it will be 7 upon 2 divided by 4, then 7 upon 2 multiply by 1 upon 4, so it will be 7 upon 8. It can't be converted into mixed. Why? It is proper. Okay. Sixth one, 4 3 upon 7 divided by 7, so it will be 31 upon 7 divided by 7. Okay, so it becomes 31 upon 7 multiplied with 1 upon 7, that will be 31 upon 49. Okay, move on. Next question, question number 4. This question number based on the case fraction divided by fraction, 2 by 5 divided by 1 upon 2. So same procedure, 2 upon 5 is multiplied by 1 upon reciprocal of 1 upon 2 will be 2. So it will be 4 upon 5. Okay. Next question, second part. This is the first part. 4 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. That is 4 upon 9 multiplied by 3 upon 2. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So answer will be 2 upon 3. Now next question, third one, 3 upon 7 divided by 8 upon 7. So it will be 3 upon 7 is multiplied by 7 upon 8. 7 and 7 will be cancelled, so answer is 3 upon 8. Fourth one, 2 1 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5. So it will be 7 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5. Now it will be converted 7 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 3. So 7 5s are 35 upon 9. So it will be 3 8 upon 9. Fifth one, sorry, this is the fourth, this is the fifth. So fifth one is 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 upon 3. So it can be written as 7 upon 2 divided by 8 upon 3. So 7 upon 2, then 3 upon 8. Okay, so 7 3s are 21 upon 16. Okay, then converted into mixed fraction, 1 5 upon 16. Sixth one, 2 upon 5 divided by 1 1 by 2, that is 2 upon 5 divided by 3 upon 2. Okay, so it will be 2 upon 5 is multiplied by 2 upon 3. Okay, so it will be 2 2s are 4 or 5 3s are 15. Then next one, seventh question, 3 1 upon 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. Okay, so it can be written as 5 3s are 15, 16 upon 5 divided by 5 upon 3. Then 16 upon 5 is multiplied by 3 upon 5. So 16 3s are 48 upon 25. It will be 123 upon 25. Okay, last one, eighth part, that is 2 1 upon 5 divided by 1 1 by 5. So it can be written as 11 upon 5 divided by 6 upon 5, that is 11 upon 5 is multiplied by 5 upon 6, reciprocal of 6 by 5. So it will be 5 and 5 will be cancelled, so remaining is 11 upon 6. It can be converted into mixed fraction, 1 5 upon 6. Okay.